How fast does a power pod take to charge your phone? Alright, we've got an Android here and we've got the power pod. We're just going to check how long it takes to download. Not download, sorry. What do you call it? How long it takes to charge. First of all, this is an on and off switch. It's off. This is on. Easy. When you start charging, a light pops up here. It's got 650 volts. Oh, sorry, amp. Yep. So we're just gonna plug it into the phone and see how long it takes. There you go. Plug it in charge. It's 49%. It was started at 49%. It's still 49%. I'm gonna use it and see how long it takes to charge. Okay. With this power pod thing, it's strange because there's no input. You cannot charge it or anything. I think you just turn it off, and once you turn it off, it will recharge itself. Yep, it's something like that. It recharges itself or something. It's very, very strange, if you get what I'm talking about. Let's just look at the percentage. Just leave it there. We're going to check the percentage, how long it takes to charge. Turn it off. The time lapse it though. Yeah, it took like almost a minute just trying to get to 50%. Well, I wouldn't really recommend this, but let's say if you're stranded somewhere and you needed quick power, you might as well just get one of these. It costs £1. I don't know how much that is in dollars. Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, this is gonna be the end of my video. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more videos just like this, and hit the bell.